I am here at World of Disney in Disney Springs, and this morning they released their 50th anniversary merchandise. There's a lot of people here, so I'm going to try to show you guys everything with their prices. But to start off, we have the 50th anniversary hat with a little gold Mickey. This is the back of it. It says the world's most magical celebration, and it is $30. So Mike bought this hat, and we just realized when we opened it, look at this print inside. It's gold and it says 50th Walt Disney World and Mickey. That is so cute.
It's like the polo shirt in there that it has the individual logos on it.
Yeah, but that one had like more of like a rainbow reflective type feel. This is just gold. But yeah, that's cool. You guys are so happy about your hats.
I'm stoked for mine.
Twin goals, bro.
I'm happy.
Twin goals.
And I got the color.
We have a Spirit jersey. It is glittery. It says Walt Disney World on it. And hi Troy, you wanna hold this up and help me out? The world's most magical celebration. Look at that, and it says 50th. That's pretty cool. Thank you. And it is $80. So right here we have a gray t-shirt. These are the sleeves. We have a little Mickey here, and this is the back of it. Most magical celebration, Walt Disney World 50th. And just so you guys know, it is a limit 2 per item per guest. So here we have a tumbler. It's very glittery, very cute, Walt Disney World 50th. And it is $35. We have a Walt Disney World 50th anniversary t-shirt. This one is $33. And it even says the world's most magical celebration on the sleeve. The back of it has nothing on it. Over here we have some ornaments. So let's move the tag out of the way so you can see this better. This is the most magical celebration. They all say that at the 50th. Here we have a limited release 50th anniversary pen for $18. Limited release magic band. It even says Walt Disney World 50th. And right there, it is $40. 50th anniversary button-up shirt. Show you guys these details a little bit better. And this one is $65. It comes with a little button. I wanted to show you guys maybe like a little better of how rainbowy. That's not even a word, but look how cute. I actually really like this shirt. We have another t-shirt. This looks like a youth t-shirt. Walt Disney World 50th. Back of it. This one is $25. Oh wow, look at this. Is this a calendar? Oh, it is a 16th month calendar. This is the back of it. For $15. So they have the pass holder merchandise behind the counters here. So this is the annual pass holder long sleeve shirt. Of course it says the world's most magical celebration, Walt Disney World 50th. Has a pass holder on the sleeves. And it is $33. So does that have a discount applied to it, or
yes,
is that?
It does. You have to also present your annual pass too, as also. You get it, but you also get the discount.
Awesome. And so is this all the merchandise, or is that it?
I think for right now that's all the merchandise. Like I said, more stuff coming in October from what we was told.
Okay.
So I got that, and I got the cap right now. So.
Okay, cool. So we went over to the pin trading store in Disney Springs, and apologize if this is a little shaky because my GoPro died. But look, they have these limited edition 50th anniversary pins, and they are $22. And you can also get the magic band here as well. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, remember to subscribe to Adventures of Mike and Steph and DJ Troy. I will put both of their links in the description. And if you want to see more theme park updates, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Hope you guys all have a magical day. Bye!